Silence, a poem by Cinnamoroll. That's me. Silence, nothingness. What? Everlasting space. Life itself is a time. Sweet. We. And slip away. Sound of freaks crying in night. You. I'm crying. But we have paid forbidden for the first name. Name with woes. Oh, silence falls. Sweet surf night. The silence. They're singing some song. And the silence down with the music. Then it is only strumming in our ears. I get you freaking. Oh, you get out here. What? That waits. I'll steal a Coke. How can you hold that down, Cinnamoroll? We're trying to show you. Oh man. Oh, what a big savvy. So ends the episode with Cinnamoroll doing the silent poem by Rowlf the dog. And Brittany is not a fan of the Muppets. Come on. What freed? I'll get your feet. What in the actual world? The internet is exploding. Pinatas are Steven. What is the exploding eye? What are you going to do when you explode on your face? Oh man, what are you going to do to your chicken nuggets? They're singing the silence. You, Steve. I don't need. Why are you explosive? You did the silence poem. I'm going to explode. Oh no! Mr. Quiet has dead, and you has your Steve. Or are you gonna explode your videos on your Steve when you say, make insert alphabet like character react to this? I will punch. What? I was gonna say something. Constant goddess to buy. I wish you had with no. Hold it. He sang that the last time. So you see, they used to Steve, and then you have just he spills your Steve on your stuff. Z has died.